Here we have the Flyline Tethered radio-controlled model airplane. And here's the box that the Mustang came in, and here's the Spitfire. Here's the aircraft, the Mustang, with its 2 batteries, and the Spitfire. Here are the transmitters, and then the lines go to the hooks, which go onto the base, which I'll show you later. The transmitter has a throttle control and elevator control. Okay, in this case we have power on, and we can adjust this to higher power and faster elevator response. And when the green light is on here, it is charging the battery. Here's the Mustang, and here's the battery. Goes into the fuselage right here, and that powers the receiver and the actuator for the elevator, called a servo, and a very tiny little motor which is extremely powerful and spins the propeller. The battery is conveniently recharged inside the transmitter. You plug it in right there, and it takes about 20 minutes or until the green light goes off. The airplane comes with 2 extra props and 3 sizes of tethers, and right now we're using the shortest, which is requires a minimum amount of space to fly the airplane. Okay, everything's set up to go now. There's the transmitter, the airplane. It's connected with the line to the hook, to the center post, and the base is filled with water. And now we're going to fly. Okay, little throttle. You can see it climbing the post. Throttling back a little bit. And we come in for a lovely landing. This time we're switching to the high power setting. And here we go. Quite a bit faster this time. As we reach the top of the post. They say it's going 60 miles an hour at this speed, and on the lower setting it's running at 45 miles an hour. Now you can see the prop just pops right off, no problem, easily put back on. Now, here's the controls, up, down, and it is adjustable. It's a proportional control. Works real well. And here's the Spitfire ready to go. And a lovely landing.